Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cranberry mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 juicy lime, and 2 ounces of crisp white rum per drink. Don't forget the cranberry juice, simple syrup for sweetness, and a splash of club soda. Make sure you have plenty of ice and a muddler on hand for the best results. Now let's get to the fun part, muddling. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and place them directly into your serving glass. Add 2 lime wedges and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This releases the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating a flavorful base. With your muddled mint and lime ready, it's time to add the liquids. Carefully pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Next, add about 3 ounces of vibrant cranberry juice, giving your mojito its signature color and tartness. Now, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the top. This will chill your drink perfectly and prepare it for the final touch. For the grand finale, top off your cranberry mojito with about 2 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it a gentle stir with a spoon to ensure all the delicious flavors are well combined. Finally, elevate your drink's presentation with a few fresh cranberries, a bright lime wedge, and a fragrant mint sprig. Serve immediately and savor this wonderfully refreshing cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.